Hey, this is Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and welcome back to my product development series. We are back working on the Tripteron 3D printer build for my ME154 class mechanism design, and we are going back and redoing all of the joints for my next upcoming assignment, the geometric design assignment, and that is due on Monday, which is in today's 9 o'clock Saturday. So we have this image and then one other image, which is the entire assembly attached together in sort of a just a test, test setup type thing. So we're going to quickly put together some joints. Oh. I don't know if it's really going to let me do this anymore because I already jointed these. So let me see. Okay. I don't know what I selected there, but let's try just doing a straight joint then. Oh, plus those are the wrong ones. That's why I can't joint it right. I'm jointing the wrong ones. So we're, oh yeah, where's the second arm? Move this bad boy out of the way. Everything there is working as it should. There you go. Oh man, that's super annoying. Why does it do that? Anyways, let's go ahead and attach this fork. So this guy doesn't have any bearings in it, so it should allow us to do what we need it to do. Capture position. This guy is going to be going towards that way, just like how we see it. And this guy is going to go on the outside of this fork. Like so. And it goes basically like that. So just like that. So now that we have that piece, ooh. It's going to be revolved. Okay, then when we move this one, where is it? Should connect it. Okay. As you see, our rotation's off again, but not really that big of an issue. Okay, so those are together, looking good. Now we have this second piece. Let's go ahead and we'll have it at a certain position. Let's actually mess with this right now. Okay, there it is. Oops. Yes! Now it's working. Alright. Looking good. Maybe if we even wanted to do some joint limits, then we would do a few different things. Let's go ahead and rotate it back a little bit. So let's have it like that. That's good. Now let's do the other joint. Let's go ahead and do the joint, capture position, up on top, here, there, or maybe the other way around. See, I don't know what makes it do switch between the finite and the large scale movements. Something like that. Alright. So now when we move second arm again, it should just whatever. Now, final piece, this piece. So I believe we'll do it again. Capture position again. Boom. This is going to be to this side like that. That looks good. Oh. Okay. Bam. Okay. I don't know why it really wants us to do that. They need to mess with that a little bit. Okay, so that's going to have to be backwards then. Edit joints. Bang, bang. Okay, first, let's just delete this for now. Delete. Okay, other way around then. And also, I believe that it is actually this way. Oops. So let's go ahead and just rotate the effector then for right now. And then it's going to ask us to capture position again. We're going to say OK. position. Whoop. That one, maybe tiny more. There you go. There we go. And that one is a edit. That one is a revolve. Alright, so that one snapped right in there. Eagerly snapped in there. And another thing is want to drop this guy a little bit. Sure, whatever. Yeah. And then last one. Something like that. Okay. So, now that we have that, figure out, I guess, how to do an exploded view. I have no clue. Well, what I'm going to do first is let's go back to the model and then let's open up these guys. And then these guys will do the body, go to the body, oops, physical material, and then these will all be, these are actually going to be, oh yeah, these are actually going to be black PLA, but we're going to make a white ABS. Even though you can go in and look at the appearance, the color. Something like that, but I think white looks a little better, so let's go with that. So I'm going to save it, reopen it. While it's reopening, try to do the next one, which is the bottom leg. Open up the body. So this is going to have slight difference in stuff that happens, but ABS, ABS, and that's it. Y'all update. Okay. Yeah. I guess it's in the manual mode. In the browser or graphic window, select components to explode. To automatically separate all selections down to one level in the hierarchy on the ribbon. Click transform. Auto explode in one level. Where's that? Ah. There it is. Nice. So you can sort of see everything. Where are these though? Oh, there are two right here. I don't know why he shot them all the way over there. Those are good. I don't know why those are... Let's do a manual exploded. That almost worked, but it didn't. Manual explode. Okay, now how do you do that? In the action panel, move the place on the ribbon, click transform manual explode, so the component pick an axis from the available triad that you want the component to explode on. Okay. Repeat for each component that you want to explode, select the optional explode toolbar, set the explosion scale, move it to explode all components at the same time, select one step explosion to explode each component. Okay. Transform, so I said explode, and now we need to open up the components. Okay. Okay. So basically, manual explode. Oh, here we go. Oh no, it's not the one I picked. Cancel that. Okay, that's number one. I like that. Number two, manual explode. This way. Good. Manual explode. Uh-oh. Ah. No, this is where we're gonna have a problem. It says it's already separated. Okay, so I don't know why it wouldn't let me do the auto explode on that and then go from there. So maybe what I'll do is I'll just pull this down. I'll just pull it away from this. That's what I'll do. Manual explode. Let's go ahead and move it this way, out of the way. Okay, that's one way of doing it. I don't know why it jumps all the way over there. Let's do that one more time. There it goes. Okay. But in actuality, I probably want to just break this first arm away. But I think I'm going to have the same issues with that. Yep. Can't I just like... Oops. Just transform component. Let's move it out of the way. There we go. So yeah, because I'm not really exploding the component, I'm just moving it out of the way. Okay, and then, okay, got that one, got that one, got that one. And then let's explode these bearings out, manual explode. Let's move it this way just a little bit. Now I'm trying to find a view. Looks good. Okay, and then let's go ahead and move the effector out of the way just a little bit. So you kind of see everything. And then let's explode this guy downwards. And explode, explode, explode. Never mind. I'm going to just move this guy out of the way. This would be second arm. Let's just move it. Oops. Transform component. Just move it out of the way. And then let's go ahead and do these bearings here on the bottom. Making pretty good time. Of course, this looks very bad, but you know, whatever. Let's go ahead and close down all these components so I can see what the hell I'm doing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. It's manual explode. And then these, of course, what you would want to do is storyboard this so you could see the explode, but you know, it is what it is. This is not exactly the way I would do it. First, the components would come apart. This piece would come down first. So where do we move that? And also you see it kind of drags along there for a while. Meh. It's okay. That's pretty cool. I mean, let's go ahead and save that. I mean, most people in this class are never going to have done exploded view before. I mean, just like myself. I mean, I've never done this before. But you can see all the bearings and everything, so that's pretty cool. I mean, at the end of the day, he just wants this image here, so. And then what we're going to do is go into, I don't know how to do any sort of I don't know what this does. I don't know how to annotate what I'm looking at. Whoa. It's weird. Okay, oops. I don't know if you can do exploded view in a drawing, so that's also what I would like to know. But I like this image, so let's go ahead and I'm going to get rid of this annotation. I'm going to close this, and actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to max screen, just like that. Oh, this is so cool. It's got shadows and everything. I love it. Print screen. There we are. That is our yes, thank you, Dropbox. There's our exploded view. And also what I will set up for him as well is go back in here, max screen. Go all the way back to the beginning. Max screen. Zoom in there real nice and tight. And print screen again. And yeah, that will be our image. Okay. Wait. I don't know why. Well, they save in Dropbox. Generally, you know, you hit print screen and then you go into Paint and then save it. But yeah, it saved it as a screenshot in Dropbox, which, you know, obviously I'm not super crazy about. But hey, that's Dropbox for you. So that's ready to go. Off screen, I will save those to my Dropbox. After I crop them out, crop a whole bunch of stuff out, and then we'll move along. Alright, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like it in this series and our series as well. I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.